This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by changing your account type. Go to Settings, tap Account, and switch to Business or Creator. Once done, connect a Facebook page because some metrics and ad features tie across platforms. Make sure your profile has contact info and a clear category so Instagram surfaces the full Insights menu. You're taking these steps now so metrics populate correctly and historical data tracks from the moment you switch rather than being incomplete later. You then open Insights from your profile or the chart icon. Once there, navigate the 3 core tabs: Content, Activity, and Audience. Make sure to filter by posts, reels, stories, or promotions to see specific performance, and adjust the date range to 7, 30, or custom days to spot trends. As you read each metric, note reach, impressions, engagement rate, and saves. These explain not just what performed but why, informing the next content decision you make. To finish, analyze patterns and export data for deeper work. Go to Settings, Account, Insights, and export CSV so you can sort by reach, saves, or engagement rate. Once exported, compare similar posts side by side to learn what format or caption drove more action. If you don't see insights or numbers seem wrong, make sure the app is updated, reconnect your Facebook page, and clear the app cache. That single troubleshooting step often restores stalled analytics quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.